Strongly supported by the Kühne Foundation, at KLU we promote logistics, operations and supply chain management through our world-class research and teaching. We train leaders and change makers with a sound operations mindset. Everything you see around you is brought to you by a supply chain. Logistics permeates everything. Companies like Zara, Amazon and Apple are obsessed with their supply chains. Just imagine how difficult it is to launch a new iPhone worldwide on the same day, to have it available in every store across the globe without any information about it leaking to the public before the official release day. This is a prime example of the potential and complexity of logistics. Simply speaking, logistics is the movement of something. This something can be financial transactions, human resources, or even information and data. And of course, moving products and services along the various supply chains is an essential part of logistics. Did you know that around 10% of the world's GDP is due to supply chains, and that equally around 10% of carbon emissions lead back to supply chains and logistics? I think you got the point. Supply chains, logistics and operations management are essential at KLU and everywhere else. Logistics doesn't just go around the world, it makes the world go round and is a future-oriented and powerful career path to pursue if you want to make a positive and sustainable impact in this world.